Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning software marketing layout pack with 9 different pages. These pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. You can directly upload and use all of the layouts that are included within the software marketing layout pack directly within your WordPress website. But before we show you how to do that, let's take a look at the different layouts that are provided to you by the design team of Elegant Themes. So we have 9 different pages. We have a home page, a landing page, a features page, a case study page, a pricing page, a blog page, a contact page, an about page, and a coming soon page. So let's just scroll through these different layouts so you can see what they look like once they are installed on a website, once you use them for your website. So each and every layout contains high quality illustrations that are included, and this is kind of the style of this layout pack. And if you build your website with this layout pack, you will get that vibe as well, because we don't really use real life images for this layout pack, but it still looks really stunning. The illustrations are high quality, and you can notice the same style throughout the whole entire layout pack, and it just looks pretty amazing. So let's move on to the pricing page over here. We went through the homepage, the landing page, the features page, the case study page, and this is a pricing page. Then we have the following blog page, the contact page, the about page, and last but not least, we also have the coming soon page. Alright, so let's go back to the home page over here, and if you want to modify your layouts or actually just build your website from scratch using the software marketing layout pack, you can do that within the WordPress website you're working on without having to download the zip folder anymore from the blog posts on the blog section of the Elegant Themes website. So you can just access each and every new layout that comes out every Monday through the Divi Builder itself. So start by enabling the Visual Builder over here. So if you want to change the layout entirely, click on the following icon, go to the plus icon over here, and you'll see that you have all of the pre-made layouts within reach over here. And then you just have to scroll down until you come across software marketing layout pack. And over here, you'll see that you get a bunch of different pages, different layouts. So there are 9 in total, as I've mentioned before, and just go ahead and click on one. And for instance, this homepage over here, and you can start by looking at the live demo and seeing if this is actually a layout that you want to work with, or you can immediately start using this layout. And before you start using any layout, you will need to provide an authentication, and you can do that by providing the username you have on the Elegant Themes website along with an API key. However, if you want to save yourself some time, you can immediately add the authentication to your WordPress website entirely, and that will make accessing your layouts way easier. So if you want to do that, simply go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Divi Theme Options, move on to the Updates tab, and enter your username and API key over here, and make sure that you save the changes. And this will allow you to access any layout of any layout pack whenever you want using the Divi Builder. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for joining us. We hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.